part 2 time. Time for a part 2. Hello, boy. I want to make you fly. Hello, you big dude. Are you doing the freeze challenge or what? What is that? And why is there water there? At the wet ice. Wow, fish on the lake. Wow, iguana. Wow. Oh, guys, it's the chains again. This is a part 1. You see the chains. Ah! Oh my god. What is that? What is this? Hiya! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Wow. Look at that. Right over there. And that's right over there. Yeah. Look at that bird. What is that bird right over there? And that bird. Where is it? Oh, there. I have another show. What is that? It's 1 feet. 1 feet. Oh my god. Hi. Hello. Hello. What? Oh, that's so cute, Sa.
Kamu ngomong apa? Ini ngomong apa sih? Yang deket-deket deh. Berani? Ini kayak mau kasih kita tahu sesuatu deh. Beb udah ke taman.
Apa sih?
Tuh.
Betul. Slow and steady. Shut up. What is that, bro? Again. Wow. At the peacock. So red. I did not know why yet. My skin. Sorry. Now it's all fixed. Whoa. Seems like we're talking about naughty. Slow and steady. Oi, guys! Slow and steady! Oh my god. Guys, I'm sitting in a cafe. Why is there holes? Tropical. Ew. Oh, that was hard. Guys, look at that. Guys, I'm riding a train also, so there's not much time, so bye. I love it. Well, look at that. Guys, look at that. And there's even a red roll. Look in there. Wow, butterfly.